Alright guys, so I found the carbon fiber axle I needed for my Lego engine to replace the one that broke in my crankshaft. I've kind of taken it apart already, but here's the axle that broke. So as you can see, it looks a little shorter than it should be right in here. That's because it snapped in half. So this carbon fiber axle, it's going to be a lot stronger. I already have one that was going right here, but the one right here was still normal Lego plastic. So this new carbon fiber axle should make it to where it won't break, and it should allow us to go all the way up to our 2300 RPM goal. So yeah, also I have these smaller counterweight crankshaft pieces. These are the ones from last video, and they definitely have a lot of weight to them. So these should have a little bit of counterweight, but definitely not as much as this, because I found that too much weight definitely slows down the engine, and I figured that having just this small amount of weight, I think that it should help a little bit, but not slow the engine down like nearly as much as this one did. So yeah, I'm gonna get these pieces put together and get the axle in there, and then we can do our RPM runs. Alright guys, so I ran into a bit of an issue. I don't know if you can see, but the bottom of this valve con rod, I guess, snapped open. So I'm gonna have to replace this. Hopefully I have another one. I'm pretty sure I do. Yeah. So I have the engine all oiled up, and I will say it is extremely smooth. So hopefully this will give us even more RPM, maybe 50 from just the oil. I don't know, maybe I'm being a little bit too ambitious. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started.